How to fix Doordash won't let me cancel DashPass. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Doordash won't let me cancel DashPass error. Now, if you are not able to cancel your DashPass, then the first thing you want to do is make sure your Doordash application is fully updated. To check, you want to open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search for Doordash. If you find the update button, go ahead and tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Once your application has been updated, you want to open your app and check if the problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you want to open up your settings, then scroll down and tap on the option of apps. Now you want to scroll through all of these applications and find Doordash. Go ahead and tap on this. Now tap on storage, then tap on the clear cache option. Once the cache has been cleared, launch open and try to cancel your DashPass again. If you are still not able to do so, you want to reinstall the application. For that, tap on the uninstall button in this way and then install the application again from Play Store or App Store. If even after doing all of these steps your problem is still not fixed, you want to contact the customer support of Doordash. For that, launch open the application, tap on the profile icon, scroll down and tap on the frequently asked questions option. Now tap on the option of customer support. Here you have the option of Visit Help Center. There's also option of Chat with us in the Doordash app, or you can dial this number and directly call them as well. If you want to chat, you can tap on the chat option. Now you simply want to type in your issue that you are not able to cancel your DashPass and the customer service agent will help you fix this problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.